Welcome to Sequoia San Francisco. We're going to be using new technology called Accushield. For the first time, it will take a little bit time to check in and out. Hit check-in and choose top one called healthcare provider or service provider. Please answer all the questions and then confirm at the last. The machine will check your temperature. If the machine does not work, please see security guard right away and check the temperature. Many of those questions are just for the first time only, and for starting the second time, they will not ask all those questions. Thank you for watching.